Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make chicken with mushroom and sweet pea. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. So these are the ingredients we'll be using. Here is chicken, some coriander leaves, and some tomatoes. I have used one full tomato, some green chillies, some onions, some sweet pea, some handful of mushrooms, one big potato, and some pounded ginger and garlic. Now turn on the flame, and I'm using an iron kadhai with thick base. Make sure that the iron kadhai is heated up. So I'm using mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice, and make sure that the mustard oil is heated up properly. So once the oil is ready for frying, we'll mix it, and then we'll be frying the ingredients one by one. So we'll add the onions and we'll give a good stir, and then we'll be adding the green chilies as well. So once you add the green chilies, give a good mix. So next we'll be adding the pounded ginger and garlic, and we'll cook it for some time. So next we'll be adding the potatoes, and we'll give a good mix. We'll cook it for some minutes. So next we'll be adding the chicken. We'll gently put all the chicken and we'll properly mix it together. So now we'll be adding some chicken masala to it. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, and as well I'll be adding some haldi, which is turmeric. So I'll be using 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So once you add all the masalas, give a good mix. And guys, if you are new to my channel and if you love my content, do consider subscribing and share it with your friends and family. And I'll be using 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and I'll give it a good mix. Now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of salt or as per taste. Now time for a good mix. Mix it well, and I have kept the flame to medium. So now we'll be adding the sweet pea and as well as the tomatoes. We'll add in, and then we'll mix it properly. We'll give a good stir. So we'll be adding some water to it so that it will cook faster. So I'm using around half cup of water, which is around 150 ml of water. And once I add the water, I'm mixing it properly. Now we'll cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for some time. So after 5 to 10 minutes of cooking, we'll just check and we'll give a good stir, and we'll check out whether the potatoes are cooked properly or not. So once the potatoes are almost cooked, so now we'll be adding the mushrooms as well. So in this we'll be adding some chopped coriander leaves. Once you add the coriander leaves, it's time to give it a good mix. At this time you can pour in some water to make it gravy. And at this time I want to thank each and everyone for your support and love, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. So guys, at the same time, do let me know what content you would like to see in the future videos, like what recipe you want me to make it. So let me know in the comment section. Alright, so once you add the water, you can give it a good mix, and now you can cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for around 5 minutes. So now we'll check out how it turned out. So it looks good. So let me just take it out in a bowl and serve it. It looks delicious. It looks really beautiful, and it's hot and delicious. Yum. So this is the final shot. You can see how beautiful it looks like, and I'm sure it will be very tasty. Just give it a try guys, it's very easy recipe. So now I'll garnish this chicken with some freshly chopped coriander leaves.